Thinking about getting the WestJet RBC World Elite Mastercard? Well, here's a quick, easy guide to help you apply. Well, first, check your eligibility. You need to be 18 or older, a Canadian resident, and have a solid credit history. It's best to have your income and address history ready to streamline the process. Next, visit the official RBC website and find the WestJet RBC World Elite Mastercard page. Take a moment to review the perks like WestJet dollars on everyday purchases, companion vouchers, and premium travel insurance. When you're ready, click apply now. Fill in your personal details, name, address, date of birth, along with your employment status and annual income. RBC will start with a soft credit check, which won't affect your credit score. If the soft check goes through, you'll complete a full application and usually receive an instant decision. If approved, if approved, your new card will arrive by mail within about 7 to 10 business days. Once it arrives, activate it online or through the RBC mobile app. Then you're all set to earn WestJet dollars on flights and everyday spend and enjoy your travel benefits. And that's it. It's really simple, fast, and rewarding. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you would like me to cover another card next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.